Additionally, balance is equally crucial in these exercises. It's not just about standing on your hands, it's about maintaining that position while performing different movements. This requires not just physical strength, but also a keen sense of body awareness and spatial orientation. Think about it like this. When you're standing upright, your feet have a large surface area to maintain balance. But in a handstand, your hands have a much smaller surface area, making it significantly harder to stay balanced. This is further complicated in advanced handstand variations where the movements involved can easily throw you off balance if not executed with precision. Moreover, the risk of injury is higher with these advanced exercises. Without proper form, technique and strength, you can easily strain your muscles or worse, take a fall that can lead to serious injuries. So, what's the takeaway message here? Patience. Patience is key in calisthenics. It's a journey, not a race. Start with the basics. Master the standard handstand before moving on to more complex variations.